Good morning, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. So a while back, we decided to start a landscaping company, and we took you guys along as we got the trailer, set it up, and filled it full of equipment. And the number one question we got after that video was, how much did all this cost? Well, today, I'm gonna tell you exactly how much we spent to get this set up right here. The first thing we needed was a trailer, so we went to Ouachita Trailer Sales in Orange, Texas, and got this 8.5 by 18 foot enclosed trailer. It cost us $11,297.48. Once we got it home, it was time to get it ready for our landscaping company. So the first thing we did to this trailer is we decided to paint the walls, and we coated the floor with a garage floor epoxy coating. And this cost us $544.52. After we got done painting the inside of the trailer, we needed to build us a shelf. So we went and got this toolbox from Home Depot and built a custom shelf around it and a shelf up there. And that cost us $1,337.78. Next up, we needed a way to light the inside of this trailer up. So we installed lights. We installed 12 volt LED lights on the entire length of the trailer. They're on the shelves, they're down here in the shelves. And we even have these 12 volt fans. And they all run off of a 20 volt max DeWalt battery. And that cost us $437.90. Now that we had the trailer ready, we're gonna need somewhere to store our equipment. So we reached out to Equipment Defender and we ordered up a ton of equipment racks. We have a 4-position trimmer rack. We have 2 backpack blower racks. We have a spooler for our weeder string. We have a PAS combo rack. We have a backpack sprayer rack, and we have some hand tool racks. And this costs us $1,591.31. We're also gonna need a way to secure the mower to the floor of the trailer when we're traveling. So we went to Home Depot and we got 2 sets of X-Tracts for the entire length of the trailer. We also got a whole assortment of straps and tie downs so that we can pretty much tie anything down in any position. And this cost us $409.79. We needed a place to secure our spare tire inside the trailer, so we went to Amazon and got this spare tire holder for $17.28. We didn't want our gas cans rolling around while traveling, so we ordered up these gas can container holders from Pit Posse. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and that cost us $386.28. Now that we have somewhere to store our gas, well, we need gas cans. So we ordered 4 of these gas cans to hold our regular gasoline and 2 of these for 2-stroke, and that cost us $202.46. And then we decided people should know what it is we do and how to contact us. So we had the entire trailer wrapped, and it cost us $1,106.65. And the last thing we need to do to this trailer before we start filling it full of equipment is we need a way to lock it up. So we reached out to Proven Locks and got some of their puck locks and our coupler lock, and that cost us $354.15. And that is a lot of money just to get this trailer ready for our business. For those of you at home doing math, that comes out to $17,685.60 just to get the trailer ready for equipment. Now, are you guys ready to see the equipment? Echo 2620 straight shaft trimmer cost me $379. Echo 2620 straight shaft edger, $499.99. Not just one, but 2 Echo 2620 PAS power heads. It cost me $739.98. And the last thing on this side is a Stihl HT 131 pole saw. It cost me $769.99. Now we need some attachments for our PAS system. 36-inch extension, $59.99. Trimmer head, $100. Tiller head, $200. Short hedge trimmer, $150. Brush cutter, $109.99. And over here we have an articulating head hedge trimmer, cost me $331.91, and a pole saw attachment cost me $180. We got this Echo 620 chainsaw. It cost me $639.99. And for our smaller jobs, we went with this Echo 3410 chainsaw, and it cost me $200. Are your bushes out of control? Well, we can trim them up with this Echo 2020 hedge trimmer. It costs us $349.99. Got weeds? Well, we can take care of them with this Stihl backpack sprayer. It cost me $146.15. Got bugs? We can take care of that too. We have this Stihl SR450 fogger mister, and it cost me $771.21. Our blowing power comes from this Echo 7910. It cost me $599.99. Got a dirty sidewalk or dirty house? Well, with us you want. We got this DeWalt pressure washer. It's 4 gallons a minute at 4,400 PSI. It cost me $1,065.15. While certainly not the most fun tools to have in the trailer, but a requirement if you're doing any kind of landscaping, we have an assortment of hand tools here, and it cost me $294.87. Are you guys ready for the main attraction, the centerpiece of this entire operation? The lawnmower. This is a Skag Tiger Cat 2, and it cost us $13,958.85. It's totally worth it. So, did anyone do the math on how much all this equipment cost? Well, it's a big number. The grand total for all of our equipment is $21,645.06. But now we're ready to go to work, right? Not quite yet. So before we get started mowing, we need some extra supplies and parts to make sure all this stuff in this trailer keeps running smoothly. We have extra chains for our chainsaws and our pole saws, backup edger blades, spare belts for our mower, extra blades for our mower. We actually have 4 sets and we go through them pretty regular. We actually sharpen them and place them almost every day we mow. We need this 5-pound roll of trimmer string. We got bug spray. We got Roundup. We got oil and maintenance kits for the lawnmower and just about every piece of equipment in this trailer. 2-stroke oil, bar oil. We got this cool chain sharpener for all of our chainsaws. And what did all this extra stuff cost us? Well, it cost us $1,223.26. Now, we're almost ready to start working. The last thing we need to do to become official is, well, we need uniforms, we need hats, and we need business cards. And that cost us $618.45. So, that's it, guys. And for those of y'all that are still calculating at home, the grand total for our trailer set up the way it is with all the equipment inside of it is $41,172.37. And that is a lot of money, especially considering we spent all this money and set this up without having a single customer to mow their yard. I know somebody's gonna probably comment down below that you didn't say anything about the truck. Well, I'm from Texas and I've always had a truck, and I actually didn't have to buy a truck to start this business. But for those of you that are worried about how much this cost, this is a 2020 F350 Platinum Super Duty, and we bought it 4 years ago. And 4 years ago, it cost $78,000. But we already owned it, so it's not part of our landscaping startup cost. But if you're gonna pull a trailer, you're gonna need a truck. And now you know how much it cost us to get this trailer set up the way we want it to, full of the equipment that we wanted, and how much it costs to do all that. Now, you're probably asking yourself, why'd you spend all that money without having a single customer lined up? Well, if you wanna know why we did the things we did and the reason we did it the way we did it, stay tuned, because in our next video, I'm gonna go over why we set everything up the way we did. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We love you, and we'll see you in the next one.